Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the Bunker Load Up 5-drawer toolbox. I just bought it. I'm really excited to use it. So let me show it to you. And this is box number 1. This is the second box. I've wanted to buy this for a while. I can't remember where I bought it. I bought it on some website. It was like 350 quid or thereabouts. I wanted to get the drawers, because as you know out there, people that have vans, well, you know yourself, it's nice to have the drawers because you can just put everything in there and you're not stacking boxes and taking them out. Oh, there's more boxes. This is the workbench that goes on the top of the box. And then this, I'm tired. God, there's so much opening. This is, oh my God, that is basically like a lid, but that's the Dolly track. These are the casters. They're actually really good casters. They're really good quality. They're quite heavy. It's like I'm bloody carving and I don't know. And the final box is this one. I think this is the deep drawer box. Let me say, yes, this is the deep one. So this box is for power tools, skill saws, jigsaws. Plan is I'm gonna get rid of all my Mac Track boxes and put everything inside these boxes. This is the deep drawer box. That's pretty cool. That is the top. This is the second deepest drawer. That will go there, like so. These lock in. They lock into place, they click in here. They're locked in now. If you look at the side, you got a clip here. That's how you release it and open it. Good quality, seems to be anyways. Apparently, you open this, I think one of these should have a security bar. That's the security bar. You can put this in somewhere. You stick it in there, it clicks in, and then you can put a padlock on it. Pretty cool. Stop someone from taking your tools. Obviously, if they really want to take your tools, they'll be able to take your tools. This one goes on top again. Every one of these comes with a security bar. They're pretty good quality. Like, they'll stop people on your lunch break getting into your tools, or just if you're off on a day and it's on a site, it'll stop people rifling through your tools. Pretty good stuff. These are the Dolly wheels. Just want to show them to you quickly. They're good quality. They really are good quality. You got 4 brakes in them. Doesn't have a brand on them, but I can tell they're good because sometimes we're buying these for trolleys on site, and then that can take the weight of me. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you. Well, you get the gist of it. It's good quality. Yeah, it's pretty damn good. I wouldn't stand in the center of it, but on the edges it's fine. Obviously it gets reinforced by the toolbox. Toolbox clicks into it. But you can wheel it around the site, take it with you, and job done. Now, it comes with this bench as well. This can click onto any of them. And there's some other accessories that come with it. Thing is, if you get the rolling toolbox to give you a few extra accessories, they don't give you with this, but it seems to be good quality. I've looked at buying toolboxes for ages, and I think this could be one of the best ones out there. I think the Milwaukee stuff is good. It kills me to say it, because I'm a Makita diehard fan, but this is cool. It's khaki green. Yeah, it's nice. I'd probably recommend it, but I'll let you know in a few weeks when I've taken it to the test on site.